Hey guys, today I want to do a NewTone tutorial. If you're like me and you like to back up your FL Studio data folder, I don't know, maybe you might get a new laptop or you might move to a different environment and you want to open up your old projects, you kind of need that FL Studio data folder because it has all your recordings and stuff. And let's say you open a project and you use NewTone in that project, you may have noticed like your pitch corrections weren't in there, and I for the longest was trying to figure out why. I think that FL Studio kind of just picks the folder that has the most audio files for that project, and that folder takes priority over any other folder when it tries to look for the audio files for that project. And in FL Studio, some of you may know or you may not know, but when you record, it goes into this recorded folder, and when you open up NewTone and make a sample and pitch correct it, it goes into this sliced audio folder. So you'll have a lot of audio files named the same thing between these two folders, and I noticed that FL Studio tends to take priority over this recorded folder when it doesn't know where to find the file. So I'll give you guys an example. Let's open up FL Studio. So boom, let's say I have this FL Studio project. I'm gonna drag these two samples in here. Boom, boom.
Hey, this is a test for my FL Studio tutorial.
So we're pretty much just focused on this sample, but I added this sample because I needed it for the example to show you like it has to be files between two folders. So boom, let's just save this. Alright, save it. Then we delete these. So basically now this will be an example of if you backed up the project file and your FL Studio data to an external hard drive and you're trying to open it again, but the original audio files and stuff aren't in their original places. So now when we open up the project, it won't be able to find them. Now I have like some demo recorded and sliced audio folders. In my sliced audio, I had the correct sample.
Hey, this is a test for my...
And then in this recorded one, I have the same sample. It's named the same, but it sounds messed up.
Hey, this is a test for my FL Studio tutorial.
Alright, cool. So if you open this back up and you go to locate sample, you go to desktop, the sliced audio, this is the correct one. Boom, it found the correct one. And then you go to this desktop, record it, you find it, and that was the additional file. But remember, in that file, the other sample.wave was incorrect. So let's reload this. So if you play it,
hey, this is a test for my FL Studio.
The sample file is incorrect. You would expect it to be right because we clicked on the correct one. So that's kind of like an example of like what was going on with my NewTone. Like it was finding the original messed up file and not my pitch corrector one. So I'll show you how to fix that. Let's open this back up. Boom, we're missing the sample. First, you gotta locate the correct one. So let's go back to the sliced. Locate the correct one. Boom, we found the correct one. Now, before you find this one, you have to reload the project. I'm not gonna save that. Then you have to press OK before you locate the other one. You press OK first. Then you save. So I'm gonna save that. Then after it's saved, you have to exit and then open it back up. And now you can finally find the other stuff. Desktop. Record it. Copy. Reload. No.
Hey, this is a test. Hey, this is a test for my FL Studio.
So that's how you fix that. Also, I forgot to add that you need to make sure that any of the audio files that you'll be finding, that location isn't already in this browser extra search folders, because then FL Studio will just automatically try to find it itself, and I just showed you that it's not very good at that in this specific case. I feel like that's a bug. It shouldn't be like that. If you locate the sample, it should use that location. It shouldn't try to use another location. So I don't know, maybe FL Studio isn't aware of that. Anyways, see you guys later. Peace. Maybe that helps somebody. If not, I just recorded this for my own purposes so I don't forget.